Hello everyone, today we will solve a simple but interesting problem involving a square and inscribed circle. Our goal is to find the area of the blue shaded region, which is the part of the square that is not covered by the circle. Okay guys, did you understand the question? Let's break it down step by step. We have a square with a side length of 14 centimeter. And this circle is perfectly inscribed inside the square. It means diameter of the circle is equal to side of the square. It's given side of a square is 14 centimeter. So diameter of circle is also 14 centimeter. We know the formula radius of circle r is diameter by 2. So r is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. Now look here, for finding blue shaded area, first we need to find area of a square and area of circle, because area of blue shaded region is equal to area of a square minus area of circle. We know the area formula of a square and circle, so we will put here and make a equation. A is equal to a square minus pi r square. A is equal to 14 square minus 22 into 7 square by 7. A is equal to 196 minus 154. A is equal to 42 centimeter square. Its mean area of blue shaded region is 42 centimeter square.